What is a small LLP? As per LLP Act of 2008, if the LLP's contribution is not exceeding 25 lakhs and turnover is not exceeding 40 lakhs, then it is a small LLP. What is contribution? It is the amount contributed by the partners together in the LLP. Then what is turnover? It is the turnover made by the LLP in the last financial year, that is immediately preceding financial year. Every year an LLP has to prepare something called as statement of account and solvency. In that we have to find out the limit. After finding these two things, we have to check whether the contribution made by the partners is not exceeding 25 lakhs, and we should also ensure the turnover is not exceeding 40 lakhs. Both these things should get satisfied. That's why we had put as and category. So and category, na, both the things we have to get satisfied. And something in your definition will be like 5 crore and 50 crore. What is this 5 crore and 50 crore? Generally, whenever we wanted to change anything in the act, we need to go for an amendment in the parliament. It's a very big process. But the government had come with a new thing, like if something is mentioned like not exceeding, that up to that limit we can get the extensions made. If the Ministry of Corporate Affairs feel the contribution is 25 lakhs now, we'll increase it to 40 lakhs. So this way we can extend till 5 crore rupees. And the same goes to the turnover. It can be extended till 50 crore. But as of now, in today's date, for your exam perspective and knowledge perspective, you have to remember only two things, that the contribution should not exceed 25 lakhs and the turnover should not exceed 40 lakhs. These two things are the most important one. The third point is given, any other requirements as may be prescribed, and on the fulfillment of certain terms and conditions, the MCA can give you, or the central government can give you a recognition of small LLP. So these are the three things, in general two things, contribution and turnover, or any other requirements as may be prescribed. Now let us look into some examples to identify whether it is a small LLP or not. The first thing is, contribution is 15 lakhs, turnover is 42 lakhs, whether it is a small LLP. The point is, we have to know two things. The contribution should not exceed 25 lakhs. Yes, it has not exceeded 25 lakhs. And the turnover is given. Here the turnover is 42 lakhs. It has breached the limit of 40 lakhs. So it is not an LLP. The condition is both the things has to get satisfied. The second example, the contribution is 12 lakh rupees and the turnover is 38 lakhs only. The first criteria is it should not be more than 25 lakhs contribution and turnover should not be more than 40 lakhs. Both these conditions are satisfied, so it is a small LLP. The third one, contribution is 35 lakhs. But the thing is, it should not be more than 25 lakhs. Turnover is 25 lakhs. It is it is less than 40 lakhs. So it is also not a small LLP. Remember, two things to get satisfaction. First one is contribution, the next one is turnover. Should not be more than 25 lakhs and turnover should not be more than 40 lakhs.